Today's notes are on surface area of pyramids, specifically a square pyramid. The square pyramid gets its name because it has a base that is a square. And it's a pyramid because it has surrounding triangles that come up to a point or one vertex. So we call it a pyramid, just like the ones that you can find in Egypt. All right, so let's recap what surface area is. Surface area of a solid is the sum of the areas of all of its faces. So we talked about that when we first introduced surface area with rectangular prism. The sum of the areas of all of its faces. A square pyramid, as I said, is a pyramid with a square base. So prisms are named by their base. Pyramids are also named by their base. So this particular pyramid, as I mentioned, is a square pyramid. So let's find the surface area of the square pyramid. All right, just like I did with my rectangular prism and my triangular prism, I'm going to number my faces. So you notice that my faces are one square, so I use the formula area equals side times side, and I have 4 triangles, so I use the formula base times height divided by 2. So let's get started. So I have 5 sides. And I'm going to look at my base first. So I have a square, and I know that all sides of a square are equal. So this one line right here tells me that it's 7 inches. So I know I'm going to be multiplying 7 times 7, which is 49 square inches. Now let's look at our triangles. Our triangles each have a base of 7, right? Because all of our sides are equal, so all of the sides of the square are 7. And then it tells me that it has a height of 10. There's no other heights indicated, so I know that this height of 10 is the same for each triangle. So all 4 triangles are equivalent. So let's find the area of the triangle. So I have 10 times 7, which equals 10 times 7, and of course I got to divide by 2, which equals 70 divided by 2 is 35 square inches. And because all of my triangles are equivalent, each one of these is going to be 35 inches square. Okay, simple as that. 4 triangles that measure 35 inches squared, and then I have my base that's 49 inches squared. So then I find the sum of the area of the faces. So 49 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces represented. And it equals 189 inches squared. So that is the total surface area of my pyramid. Surface area means you have to cut it, like if I wanted to cover this pyramid with paper per se, it would take 189 square inches of wrapping paper to cover this. So surface area is when you want to cover something. All right? Let's recap. To find the surface area of a square pyramid or a rectangular pyramid would just mean that it has a rectangular base with 4 triangles around it. And I would do the same thing. I would find the area of the base first, and then I would find the area of the triangle. The difference with a rectangular pyramid and a square pyramid is rectangles, they don't have all equal sides. So our triangles would not all be equal. Two would be the same, and then the other two would be the same. Okay? So we find the area of each face, starting with our base, and then working our way around for our triangles. That is how you find the surface area of a square or rectangular pyramid.